Hi all, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply a follower to your VRChat avatar. So first step is to download either a follower, this follower file called My Follower, or like a pre-made one like Snapghost off my website, pinkbunny.tech. So now you're going to drag the Unity package file into your project file, hit import, and our goal for this is to have this be our follower, babycon. And you can add animations. So right now I have a dance animation on it. I'm gonna have this be the follower of our main con. So now I'm gonna go under Mai Lofi, items, my follower, and just drag this in here. So I have it, how I have it set up by default for the my follower one is the cube is just a default thing we're gonna replace, but it might be something like a ghost, which is already pre-made. So now I'm gonna go under my follower, click under me, keep going, and place object under me. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to delete the cube first, or I'm going to unpack prefab. So right click, unpack prefab, and then I'm just going to go ahead and delete the cube because we're not going to use that. So now we have babycon. This is going to be our follower. And so we're just going to place that and over there. And one last step that's important is we're going to set this to 0, 0, 0, and rotation 0, 0, 0. All right. And you'll notice it's actually not straight right now. And that's because, actually, I'll tell you that in a bit. Now we're going to size it where we want it. So in this case, I want my follower to be, I mean, it's in a pretty good place already, but let's say a little lower and a little closer in. So I'm going to place it there. And you can also go ahead and scale it if you would like. But I kind of like the size, a little small. Now we're going to look at the look at point. So this point right here is where your follower is going to look, which is kind of important. So if I move this left and right, you'll see it looks at different spots. I am going to keep it kind of here because I like how it, if you're talking to someone, I want my follower to look at them as well. All right, and one last step to do is going to be pop the my follower under the main root of your avatar, just like that. So it's in this main folder. Now I'm gonna just check to make sure it works. And you'll see it starts dancing because there's the animation, and you'll notice it kind of floats around like a follower should. Now if we were to move around our avatar, you'll see it glides real nice over to where it's supposed to go and floats around that spot. And it also looks, it's a little hard to see now because it's dancing, but it will always look at the look at spot. So yeah, thanks for watching. Consider supporting me on Patreon if you have, or if you like this video. And yeah, check out those assets. All right, awesome. Bye.